All right, you guys. Hey, here we have Chuck here for our in-person phone flipping with CellBotics. How you doing, Chuck?
Doing great.
Good. Chuck, well, class been going on so far. It is, what time? It's like 12:30 so far. So we've been able to go buy some phones. We've been able to learn a little bit. What was your take before even coming into this class today? Like, how did you honestly feel about phone flipping and, potentially working with me and learning this?
I thought it was a good idea, and I have a lot of experience in this business. And I was like, well, I'm really hoping this was worth it. But within the first 10, 15 minutes, I'd already learned way more than I knew. And on the phone, and there's a lot more money to be made in this business.
That's what's up. Do you see yourself, before I even get into that, we just actually went and bought two 11 Pro Maxes, you guys. Yep. How was that experience? We just went and bought this, and you could kind of share how much profit we potentially will be making.
That was a great experience. There's a lot of, you'd be stupid to work a full-time job when you can do this. What did we make, 200 profit on this?
Yeah.
And that was while doing class and answering a couple of text messages.
Just answering a couple, like it was literally, remember we was at the post office, we were dropping off some packages, and then the person reached out and we was able to, just make some profit. And just for the people out there who's probably looking to get into phone flipping, for the beginners and things like that, what do you have to say to them as far as if they're interested in, having yet said, okay, I guess I want to learn how to phone flip? How do you feel about that? Like, what advice you have for them?
Do it now before he raises prices, because it's worth a lot more than, this will pay for itself in a heartbeat.
That's what's up, man.
Like I said, I've been in the industry since 2013. I've seen how much you can make doing repairs, but not as many people are doing this.
Yeah.
And it's easier actually.
Yeah, and it's not even about phone flipping. Like, I'm literally being a teacher. I'm very thorough with it and the information. Like,
oh, yeah, I've learned. I didn't know the resources that were out there.
Yeah.
And most phone repair guys, this is a great class.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm blown away.
Hey, man. I just want to just give you guys a small input of literally how this in-person training goes. And even if you just decide just to get the course, this phone flipping thing is real. You can literally make money, and I'm showing people how to do it like all the time. Thank you, Chuck. We will show you more. This is literally just the first 3 hours of our class. So we're going to get Chuck's perspective and, thoughts about it at the end of class and see, how he truly feels about it. But he got it. I already know that.
Thank you.
Thank you.